If you're watching this video, like and subscribe to Just the Chords for access to our full chord library and a lot of fun tutorials. Today, the star of the show is B major. We're talking about B, D sharp, and F sharp all together. That's B, D sharp, F sharp, giving us our B major chord. We love it. To add a second, we need the second note up from B, which is C sharp, a whole step away. B, C sharp, D sharp, F sharp. 4 notes there give us our B2 chord, some lovely color. For a B4 or B suspension, we're going to take that third note up a half step, give us a B, E, F sharp. Nothing in between, B, E, F sharp. That's our B4 or B suspension, leaves us wanting more. For a B5, give us just that B and that F sharp. That's our B5 power chord, B and F sharp. For a B6, get back to our main triad, B, D sharp, F sharp, and add the 6th note up from B, which is going to be our G sharp. B, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, to give us our B6. And lastly, to get our B7, we want to go 7 notes up from B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the scale, and make sure it's still a whole step away from that B. So we'll get B, D sharp, F sharp, and A. There we go. That's our B7 chord. Real jazzy. Enjoy the color and play on.